Now, bache, have a look on 14th illustration. They are saying that two partners are there, Uday and Kaushal, entered into partnership with their capitals. Govind was admitted. They have admitted now Govind, new partner. And after the admission of Govind, their new ratio is given 3 to 5. Means what was the earlier ratio of Uday and Kaushal? It is not given in the question. You will assume it equal. The old ratio of Uday and Kaushal was equal. You have to assume it. And after the admission of Govind, the new ratio is 3 to 5. Then after 2 years, Hari is also admitted into the partnership for 1/10 share, which he acquired equally from all the three partners. But the three things you have to calculate in this question. This is a combination of three questions. First of all, you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of Uday and Kaushal on the admission of Govind. When Govind came, the new ratio was this and the old ratio was equal. We have taken it as equal. When no ratio is given in the question, old ratio, then we assume it as equal. So, what is the formula for sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. SON son, you know that. Then Uday's sacrifice. On the admission of Govind, the old ratio was 1/2. New ratio 3/10. The total of these three is 10. Old minus new, it will be 2/10. When we will take the LCM, 5 minus 3, 2/10. Kaushal's sacrifice, old 1/2 we have taken, new is 2/10. Now when we will take the LCM, 5 minus 2, it will be 3/10. So sacrificing ratio of Uday and Kaushal is 2:3. I told so many times LCM will be ignored. The sacrificing ratio is 2:3. First we have solved. Now second part, they have asked new profit sharing ratio of Uday, Kaushal and Govind and Hari on Hari's admission. Now you are having old partners, three old partners, Uday, Kaushal and Govind. Their ratio was 3 to 5. Now this will become old. After 2 years, Hari is admitted. So this will become the old automatically. And when Hari came for 1/10 share, which he acquired equally from all the three partners. So sacrificing ratio will be equal, definitely. In ratio, the ratio in which they are sacrificing is the sacrificing ratio. Now we have to calculate the new ratio. We have to calculate the new ratio. What we will do now? Uday's sacrifice. We will calculate 1/10 into 1/3. 1/30 is given by Uday. Kaushal's sacrifice 1/10 into 1/3. 1/30 is given by Kaushal and Govind's sacrifice. 1/10 into 1/3. 1/30 is given by Govind. Okay, bache. Now we have to calculate the new ratio. Old minus sacrifice. Whatever they have sacrificed for new partner, it will be deleted. So old minus sacrifice will be the new ratio. Now we will write Uday's new share. Old was 3/10, sacrifice 1/30. The ratio becomes 8/30. Kaushal's new share. Old was 2/10, sacrifice 1/30. The ratio will become 5/30. Then Govind's new share. Old was 5/10, sacrifice 1/30. It will be 14/30. Okay, now we have to write the new ratio of all the four partners. 8/30, 5/30, 14/30 and Hari's share was 1/10. When we will take the LCM 30, it will be 8, 5, 14 and 3. Any doubt बच्चे? First we have taken 1/3 of 1 by 10. This was the sacrifice made by every partner. So old minus sacrifice was the new partner, new profit sharing ratio. Now in the third and last part, this was related to the previous chapter admission. In third and last part, they are saying that this becomes the old ratio. For third part, the ratio becomes 8, 5, 14, 3. Uday, Kaushal, Gobind and Hari. Now they said that Gobind died. He died. And his share was taken over by Uday and Hari. Uday and Hari. Kaushal have not gained anything. Uday and Hari have gained equally. So gaining ratio will be equal. Uday and Hari. Now we have to calculate the new ratio of Uday, Kaushal and Hari. How we will calculate? Old plus gain. First of all, we will calculate the gain. Uday's gain. 14 by 30 into 1 by 2. It will be 14 by 60. Then Hari's gain. 14 by 30 into 1 by 2, 14 by 60. Or you can cut it here, 7 by 30. If it is divisible, you can divide. Either not permitted. Now, bache, new ratio, old plus gain, Uday's new share. Old was 8 by 30, gain is 7 by 30. It will be 15 by 30. Kaushal's new share will remain same because Kaushal have not gained anything, 5 by 30. And Gobind's new share, old plus gain. Old was 3 by 30 and gain is 7 by 30. It will be 10 by 30. So the new ratio becomes 15, 5, 10. 15, 5, 10. Or you can write it 3, 1, 2 because it is divisible with the 5. Now, bache, last question for the day. Illustration number 15. A, B, C are partners with ratio 4, 3, 2. A retired from the firm. It is decided that profit sharing ratio between B and C will same as existing between A and B. Whatever was the ratio between A and B, it was 4:3. It will be the new ratio of B and C. Easy bachche. Old is given, new is given. They have just said that whatever was the ratio between A and B, that same ratio will exist between B and C in future. New ratio is given, old is given, you have to calculate gaining ratio. New you have calculated, gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. So B's gain, new 4 by 7 minus 3 by 9. Old was 3 by 9. It will be 15 by 63. C's gain, 3 by 7 is the new ratio, old was 2 by 9. So it will become 13 by 63. So now gaining ratio you can write 15 is to 13. LCM will be not having any value. Got my point? ABC were partners with ratio 4:3:2. A retired. B and C decided that the ratio which was existing between A and B will be the ratio between B and C. Means 4:3. This is old, this is new. Now old new ratio minus old ratio will be gaining ratio.